Good morning from the allotment. Nice sunny morning. So, a bit cold, but I'll soon warm myself up. Get all these blocks from here, at the back of the van, up to the greenhouse there. And we're going to crack on and try and get it paved out. Let's see how we go. So I've managed to get all the blocks up and some sand. And I'm now going to get it dropped in the greenhouse, spread out as evenly as I can, then just walk on it, tread it really down, and then get these poles in. And basically what these poles do is get them down level, and then you screed back off the using a timber, and it should give you a level surface. So I'm going to crack on with that. The sun's really bright today, so it's making it a bit awkward to film, so I'll crack on and I'll come back to you. Hopefully the sun will have moved around and we can get some better pictures. Okay then. I've started the screeding. Basically, I've got the two poles down, and then we just screed back with a piece of timber all the way back to the door. Those two poles are set in level, so on vertical, both vertical and horizontal, and we keep bringing that all the way back to here, and then eventually we start to block, and a block from the door down to the bottom. So hard work, but we'll crack on, see where we get to. So we've managed to get screeded and we've started to do the basket weave. Started to fit in quite well here. The measurements might be a little bit to cut. As you can see in that corner, I'm going to have to do a few little slight cuts just to fit them in. It seems to be evening out as I go along, but who's to say that it doesn't get a little bit wider or I get a little bit narrowed as we go. But we'll have to play it by ear. I'll just crack on and finish it. Guys, so that's it all paved out. It's worked pretty well actually. The areas that I thought we were going to struggle with in the corners, which I'll show you in a minute, managed to squeeze them in, got the hammer out, a little bit of persuasion, and that's worked really well. So I'm pleased with it overall. All I need to do now is get some kiln drying sand and just sweep that into this, and then we're ready to go. So it just needs that little bit of dried sand in there just to lock it together. Still got a slight wobble on them, but you're always going to get that. Once the dried sand goes into it, it fills all those little air gaps, and it's really solid. A little bit of work to do on the bed. Get some more stuff in there, soil in there. It's sunk down a bit. So here we go. Finished product. And I think it was easier to do it this way rather than do the herringbone sort of pattern. This is, I think they call it basket weave. So I'm pretty pleased with that. It's now time, as I say, just get it swept in. Once it's swept in, get the staging in, get the bed sorted, and let it start repaying me for all my hard work. Okay guys, that's me for today. My back's shot. I think I might just have one more cup of tea, have a chat with my allotment neighbour Sally before I go, and then it's a hot bath for me. I'd just like to say at this point, thank you to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate you coming along and watching these videos. If you want to press the alert button in the corner, that'll let you know when I upload any other new videos. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon with some more content. Okay guys, have a good weekend. Bye bye.